I mean, I can feel it, but you can hear just how sharp this is. I mean, this feels like a sharp knife. Today we're taking a look at the Sharpal that was sent to me to check out. It's got a dual-sided coarse and extra fine grit for all your sharpening needs. Now take a look at this older, I haven't sharpened this in quite a while, my lawnmower blade. It's very dull. I want to get it nice and sharp for the upcoming spring season, spring and summer. But it's very dull. You don't want to mow your grass with a dull blade. If your blade's not sharp, it's just gonna rip the grass. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. I love the handle. This whole tool feels very lofty and heavy, and so it makes for a very sturdy tool when I'm going in and making my passes here. So I am starting with the higher grit, a little bit more aggressive to get things going. I have maybe a few dings on the blades that I can file out, and right away it's about 50% sharper, I'd say, after about 10 or so brushes across. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with the 1200 finer grit, kind of a finishing pass here, just to make sure things are nice and smooth. And again, this blade is already very nice and sharp, and I'm just making sure it's even all the way, because you want to make sure that you're evenly taking off material on both sides of the blades. Otherwise you could have a blade that's out of balance, and that could cause some issues. So in about 10 or 15 minutes I was able to sharpen both sides of my mower blade, and it feels as sharp as a knife, I would say. Now I have these neglected old pruners. It has a little bit of damage on the blade, so I'm definitely going to have to be more aggressive in using the coarser grit just to smoothen things out, some different nicks and dings that are on the edges of the blade. But after that we should be in pretty good shape as far as sharpening it up. Once we go with that aggressive approach, we'll then switch to the not as high of a grit honing side. So we're just about finished up on these pruners. This took maybe no longer than 5 minutes. It's a very small area to work on, but I was able to get those nicks out with the more aggressive approach and the grit size, and then I was able to finish it off with the honing side, and I was pretty surprised, actually shocked how sharp I was able to get these things. So I leave these outside, and I've actually used them to cut like some metal barb before, so I've kind of damaged it, but it looks like I kind of corrected that just with the aggressive grit side. And then per the directions, you can go ahead and wash this off with water, both sides. So I'm just going to try to rub some of the grit and grime off of there, and then I'll go ahead and dry it off. I don't want it to get rusty or anything like that, but yeah, go ahead and get some water on there and clean things up, and then you're ready to go for the next use.